Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Mini Anl Fuse is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in any high-performance audio system, acting as the critical guardian of your valuable amplifier and wiring from damaging electrical surges and short circuits. Ensuring the integrity and longevity of your sound setup hinges on selecting the right fuse, and today, we're diving deep into what makes a Mini Anl Fuse truly stand out, exploring the nuances that separate the good from the truly exceptional and protecting your investment and delivering pristine audio quality without compromise. Number 5. JOREST 300 PCS Automotive Fuse Assortment Kit. This kit provides a wide variety of fuses, including micro, mini, and standard sizes, covering 11 different current specifications to meet all your automotive needs. We've increased the quantity of the most frequently used fuse ratings, ensuring you have ample backups for your vehicle's electrical system. Constructed with high-quality, eco-friendly materials, these fuses are built to last and are suitable for a wide range of vehicles including cars, RVs, trucks, and boats. Each fuse is color-coded and clearly marked with its amperage rating, making it simple to find the exact one you need quickly. For your convenience, this kit comes with installation instructions to guide you through the fuse replacement process. A handy fuse puller is included in the kit, making removal and installation of fuses safe and easy. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive selection of 3 common fuse sizes, micro, mini, and standard. It also includes a good mix of frequently used amp ratings, making it a versatile choice for general automotive use. If you need a wide variety of fuses for various vehicles and are looking for a convenient all-in-one solution, this is a great option. What people say. The fuse works as expected and is a good replacement part. It fits perfectly and is easy to install. The quality of the fuse is good, and it seems durable. Number 4. Frienda Mini Anl Fuse Plated Pack. Ensure the safety of your automotive, marine, audio, video, and electronic systems. This pack provides essential protection for your valuable components. You'll receive 18 Mini Anl fuses with a range of amp ratings from 20A to 150A. This generous quantity ensures you have enough for current needs and future replacements. These fuses are designed with an appropriate size for easy integration into your projects. They are portable and simple to store without taking up much space. Crafted from reliable metal, these fuses are built to last. They offer excellent heat resistance and electrical conductivity, ensuring they won't easily melt or deform. Ideal for protecting circuits and equipment in cars, marine applications, and more. They safeguard amplifiers, speakers, stereos, and other critical components for a superior experience. The classic design makes these fuses simple and convenient to install. You can quickly add protection to new circuits, saving you time and effort. What we like. This pack provides a good quantity of Mini Anl fuses with a range of higher amp ratings, specifically designed for automotive audio and video systems. If you are building or upgrading a car stereo system and need reliable protection for your amplifiers and speakers, this is the fuse set for you. What people say. The product works as expected. It is a good quality product. Number 3. Mini Anl Fuse Multipack. Introducing the Mini Anl Fuse Multipack, your essential solution for circuit protection. This comprehensive set offers a range of amperage ratings to suit various needs. It includes 9 fuses, with ratings from 20A to 150A, ensuring you have the right protection for every application. This covers all your essential needs. Designed for systems up to 32V, it's perfectly compatible with both 12V and 24V setups. You can rely on its performance across different automotive and marine electronics. These economical fuses provide crucial overcurrent protection for your valuable equipment. They safeguard your controller, wiring, and battery from potential damage. Perfect for automotive and marine audio and video systems, they ensure stable and safe operation. Keep your electronics protected with this reliable multipack. What we like. This multipack offers a convenient selection of Mini Anl fuses covering a broad spectrum of amp ratings, suitable for systems up to 32 volts. If you're working on automotive or marine electronics and need a variety of protection levels for your controllers, wires, and batteries, this multi-pack is an economical choice. What people say. The Mini Anl Fuse is a reliable choice for protecting your car's audio system. It effectively prevents damage from overcurrents, ensuring the longevity of your amplifier. The fuse is easy to install and fits perfectly in standard Anl fuse holders. Number 2. Mini Anl Fuses 5-pack. Ensure the safety of your controller, wiring, and battery with reliable overcurrent protection. These fuses are designed to safeguard your valuable components from electrical surges. This pack includes a combination of 30, 40, 60, 80, and 100 amp fuses. You get a variety of options to meet different protection needs for your applications. Featuring a durable nickel-plated construction, these fuses offer excellent conductivity and longevity. They are built to withstand demanding environments. Specifically rated for voltages no more than 32 volts, they are ideal for a wide range of automotive and marine applications. Ensure compatibility with your system's voltage. Installation is straightforward, allowing for quick and easy setup. Their design supports multi-use combinations, making them adaptable to various configurations. This comprehensive set includes one fuse of each amperage, 100 amp, 80 amp, 60 amp, 40 amp, and 30 amp. Everything you need for versatile protection is in one package. What we like. This pack features nickel-plated Mini Anl fuses in convenient, pre-selected amp rating combinations. If you are looking for specific, commonly paired higher amp ratings for your automotive or marine applications and value ease of installation, this is a practical choice. What people say. The product works as expected. It is a good quality product. The design is sleek and modern. Number 1. Install Bay MANL 100 Mini Anl Fuses. Introducing the Install Bay MANL 100 Mini Anl Fuses. These are designed for optimal performance and reliability. With a 100 amp rating, they provide robust protection for your electrical systems. They are built to handle demanding situations. Each fuse has been rigorously tested in real-world conditions. You can trust in their durability and consistent function. We've put them through their paces to ensure they perform when you need them most. Expect reliable operation every time. This convenient package includes 2 fuses. Get the protection you need with this essential automotive accessory. What we like. This offering provides 2 100 amp Mini Anl fuses, proven and tested for durability. If you specifically need high-capacity protection for a demanding application and want a reliable, tested fuse, this 2-pack is a straightforward solution. What people say. The product works as expected. It is a good quality product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.